Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it has been a quick second since we have done some sort of makeup situation for you. So today I don't actually know what I'm going to do, but I have two sticky notes of colour swatch things, so this is kind of what we're going to go for. So yeah, if you want to see what I make of these, which you probably would have done from the thumbnail, then just keep on watching. As per usual, going in with the trusty headband. Let's zoom you guys closer and can it get on with it. So to prime my eyes, we're going in with the PLouise base in white. Now I'm not going in with the coloured one just because I want like a pop of colours. I'm going in with Veil from the Kaylee and Sosu palette, which is just this white, on the same brush I've just used, and just kind of popping that real loosely all over my lid, just because even though I love these bases, I think my eyelids are too oily for them. I think I'm going to start off with the kind of the bluey cool tone section of my eye first. And to do that, we are mixing Faith and Veil, which is the yellow and the white. So what I'm going to do is position that concoction on this inner portion of my eye. And while I'm here, I'm actually going to do the same on this side. So this is the yellow situation. Looks a bit gross, but I promise you it's gonna get better. So now we are gonna mix this whole situation up a little by going in with the shade Dragonfly, which is this one here, and this is a Makeup Geek shadow. Then probably afterwards I'll go in with the shade opposite here, which, well, next to is Shark Bait. So they're both Makeup Geek shadows. So I'm just patting it here, and I'm patting it to make sure that it goes over the yellow portion. And then go back through with the yellow and white to just blend that a little bit. Then on the flip side of the same brush, I'm going in with the darker shade. So I'm just kind of putting the colours on section by section, and then I can go through and blend them a little bit more together. So now we're going to go with a bit of the darker blue and we'll see what happens. Got Busted, which is this blue here from the Morphe Dark Magic palette with Jaclyn Hill. So this is the situation. What I've just done is gone through with those two blue colours I used, mixing more of the darker blue and patted it in to make this area a bit more darker, a bit more blended. And then we went through with our yellow brush and just began to blend out the edges here, and also bringing up the yellow kind of real far into the brow. And that's the situation at the moment. It still needs more blending, so don't judge me yet. Where the situation is right now. So what I'm going to do is finish this off and I'll be right back. Right, so I'm back. This side, as you can see, is now done. Let's go to this side. This one is going to be the more like warm toned side. I'm just building that yellow up, and then we're going to transition into a orange. So what I'm going to do is mix Majesty from the Kaylee palette with Access from the Jaclyn Armed and Gorgeous palette. Pop it here like we did on the other side. Now I'm going to do the same thing but flip my brush the other way with the red, which is Sacred Fire, so this one here at the bottom. with some Unruly, which is this here, and also the Mystic shade, which is this dark purple from the Jaclyn Hill palette as well. And you know, I'm just gonna blend out these edges and keep building the colour and stuff, so it's just like how we got it here, and then I'll be right back. Ta-da! This side went so much easier and so much quicker than this side. It's a little bit, might need a bit of a touch up, but I did not believe what they said about warms and cool tones until right now. Anyway, let's do the base. So I'm gonna zoom you guys out and we can just sort the rest of this out. We're just gonna time lapse the base bit because, you know, you didn't really come here for that, you came here for this. So yeah, I'll see you guys once the base is done. Okay, so here we are, we've come a long way. So we've done practically everything. What I am going to do, just to pizzazz the whole situation up a little bit more, I'm going to put some glitter eyeliner on top of the black and put some lashes on and do the under eyes, and then we're done. So yeah, let's do that. I've got this Glam Crystals glitter liner in the shade Glitz, and instead of doing it directly from the brush, I'm going to put it on my hand and then use like a paintbrush instead. So this is what we got. Now I had another idea. I want to put little glittery stars on somewhere, but I might do that kind of after I've kind of blended everything out. We're now just gonna smoke out the lower lash line, and to do this, I think I want to go with like a white liner in my waterline rather than like black smoky, and just, you know, play around a little. So I'm just gonna do my PLouise base because I don't actually have a white eyeliner, so I will pop that in, and yeah, I'm just gonna put this base in my waterline. Okay, and then when you look like a really creepy ragdoll with really big eyes, you know you've achieved the desired look. So I'm just gonna go back in and blend all of these bottom bits out. So we'll start off with those blues. Okay, so we have the lashes on and they make all of the difference, but now I want to put some stars on my face. And the only thing is I only have black lash glue, so yay! Right, so I think I'm actually done now. I mean, I keep saying that, but I think now I actually am. So this is basically the finished look. What I'm gonna do is just put like some gloss on. And yeah, I'll be right back. Okie dokie. So this is the finished look, guys. I am very, very pleased with myself. I feel like I should be going out to some sort of really cool festival situation, but I'm not. So anyway, yeah, this is the finished look. Bit early for festival season, but you know, you can add it to your playlist and come back later. But yeah, so come a bit closer. So here we go. That's when you can see all my mistakes. Yeah, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, all of that good stuff down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. I don't actually quite know. Don't actually know. Hi. No, sorry. It's just time lapse it. Time lapse it. Yeah. Okie dokie.